Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today, join me in cooking Thai basil chicken. Let's start with the ingredients. For the ingredients, you're gonna need chilies, onions, oyster sauce, dark soy sauce, fish sauce. Okay, that's Thai fish sauce. And then you're gonna need minced ginger and chopped garlic. We're going to need basil leaves, and it's preferable for you to get Thai basil if you have, but if you cannot find Thai basil, you can just use an ordinary basil. You also need sugar and of course minced chicken. Heat oil in a wok, then add minced garlic and minced ginger. Next, add the chopped onions and then add the chilies. Stir fry until the onion is cooked. Then add in the minced chicken. Saute the chicken until its pink color is changed. Next, add your fresh basil. I used my leftover Italian basil, but for this recipe you must always use Thai basil if you have. Next, add the oyster sauce and then continue stirring. After that, add some fish sauce and dark soy sauce.
I need to put this in your lunchbox.
Mix well. Just continue stir frying under high heat until all the flavors are absorbed by the meat. Add a little sugar to balance the flavor. Transfer to a solo plate or for sharing. You may also serve it over hot steamed rice and then top with egg. This dish is typically prepared with more chilies, so it's all up to you if you want it more spicy. But however which way, it's always delicious.
Aroy.
Thanks for watching and see you on my next vlog.